Stop. You just walked past this. Most people do. But this forgotten plant-fed medieval kings survived 5,000 years and could feed your family for the next 15 years. From just one planting. In this video, I'll show you why this plant disappeared from every seed catalog in 1950, reveal its incredible nutritional power, teach you how to grow it anywhere, and share ancient cooking methods that will change your kitchen forever. Good King Henry, or Chenopodium bonus henricus. The Romans brought it to Britain 2,000 years ago. In 812 AD, Emperor Charlemagne declared it mandatory in every imperial garden. Medieval families called it poor man's asparagus. So why did it vanish? Because modern agriculture couldn't mass produce it. It doesn't ship well. It doesn't look perfect in supermarkets. But it does something better. It grows itself, survives neglect, and feeds you year after year. Good King Henry gives you 3 harvests from one plant: tender shoots in spring that taste like asparagus, nutritious leaves all summer like spinach, and flower buds you cook like broccoli. It's 3 vegetables in one. But here's where it gets really interesting. The nutrition in this plant is extraordinary. Let me show you why medieval people valued it more than gold. Good King Henry is loaded with vitamin A. Just 100 grams of leaves provide over 300% of your daily requirement. Vitamin A supports healthy vision, strong immune function, and cell growth. Your eyes literally need this. Vitamin C? Good King Henry rivals citrus fruits. It's packed with more vitamin C than spinach. This is why medieval sailors who had access to it avoided scurry. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, wound healing, and antioxidant protection. Iron content is where this plant truly shines. Good King Henry contains more iron than spinach, the plant famous for iron. This mineral is essential for oxygen transport in your blood, energy production, and fighting fatigue. Need calcium? Don't just rely on dairy. Good King Henry is rich in calcium, crucial for strong bones, teeth, and muscle function. Medieval farmers who ate this daily had remarkably strong bones, according to archaeological studies. Potassium levels in Good King Henry help regulate blood pressure, support heart health, and maintain proper fluid balance. This is why traditional herbalists called it a heart herb. B vitamins? Check. Good King Henry contains B1, B2, B6, and folate, B9. These are your energy vitamins. They convert food into fuel, support brain function, and boost mood. Medieval monks who ate this worked from dawn to dusk. Dietary fiber is abundant in both leaves and shoots. This promotes healthy digestion, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, and keeps you feeling full. Your microbiome loves this plant. Antioxidants and phytonutrients give Good King Henry its dark green color. These compounds fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and may protect against chronic diseases. It's nature's defense system in a leaf. Important note, like spinach, Good King Henry contains oxalic acid. Always cook the leaves boiling for 2 to 3 minutes, removes most oxalates. Change the water once. Medieval cooks knew this instinctively. If you have kidney issues, eat it occasionally.
If you like this and want to see more of these videos, please subscribe and don't forget to smash the like button.
Now let's talk about growing it. Good King Henry thrives in USDA hardiness zones 3 through 9. That covers most of the United States, all of Europe, the UK, Canada's southern regions, and temperate areas worldwide. This plant evolved in cool European climates. It loves cool springs, tolerates hot summers, and survives winters down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hardy, adaptable, and nearly indestructible once established. Soil-wise, Good King Henry prefers fertile, moist, well-draining soil rich in organic matter. pH 6 to 7.5 is ideal. It develops a deep taproot, so prepare the soil well before planting. Mix in compost or aged manure. Sun exposure? Flexible. Full sun to partial shade both work. In hot climates, afternoon shade prevents leaves from getting crispy. Medieval monastery gardens often planted it under fruit trees. The dappled shade was perfect. Planting from seed requires cold stratification. Mix seeds with moist sand in a Ziploc bag, refrigerate for 10 weeks. This mimics winter. Then sow in early spring, barely covering seeds. Germination takes 2 to 4 weeks. Easier method? Buy young plants. Plant them 12 to 15 inches apart in spring or fall. Dig holes twice the root ball size, water deeply, and mulch around the base. They'll establish faster than seeds. First-year care is crucial. Keep soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Remove weeds regularly. Don't harvest the first year. Let plants establish strong root systems. This patience pays off for 15 years. From year 2 onward, it's nearly maintenance-free. Add compost in spring, water during extreme drought. That's it. No pesticides needed, pests rarely bother it. It outcompetes most weeds once mature. Where can you grow this? United Kingdom, Ireland, all of Europe, United States zones 3 to 9, southern Canada, New Zealand, temperate Australia, parts of South America. If you have 4 seasons, you can grow Good King Henry. No garden? No problem. Good King Henry grows in containers if the pot is at least 18 inches deep for the taproot. Use rich potting soil, keep it moist, and you'll harvest from your balcony. Multiply your plants by division. Every 3 to 4 years, dig up mature plants in early spring or fall, split the crown into sections with a sharp spade, and replant. Each division becomes a new plant. Common issues? Leaf edges turning brown means too much sun or not enough water. Slugs might nibble young growth. Use organic slug control. Overall, this is one of the most trouble-free vegetables you'll ever grow. Harvesting happens in 3 waves. Spring shoots from March to April. Tender leaves from May through October. Flower buds in June and July. It's like having 3 different vegetables on a rotating schedule. Spring shoots are the prize. When they reach pencil thickness, cut them at soil level. They taste like nutty asparagus. Harvest for 4 to 6 weeks, then let the plant grow leaves to rebuild energy. For leaves, pick young, tender growth from the outside, leaving the center to continue producing. Harvest regularly to encourage new growth. Take no more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Flower buds are harvested before they open. They look like tiny broccoli florets. Pinch off the entire flowering spike. Sauté them in butter. Medieval cooks considered these a delicacy. Preparation starts with thorough washing. Good King Henry grows close to soil, so rinse leaves well. Remove any tough stems from older leaves. Young leaves have tender stems you can eat. Cooking method 1. Simple boiled greens. Bring salted water to a boil. Add leaves. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Drain thoroughly. This removes oxalic acid. Serve with butter, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Method 2. Sautéed with garlic. First, blanch leaves for 2 minutes. Drain. Heat olive oil, add sliced garlic and red pepper flakes, cook 30 seconds. Toss in the blanched greens, season with salt, cook 2 more minutes. Perfect side dish. Method 3. Grilled shoots. Toss spring shoots with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Grill for 3 to 4 minutes until tender with char marks. Finish with lemon zest and parmesan. This is how medieval nobility ate them. Method 4. Traditional green soup. Sauté onions and potatoes, add broth, simmer until tender, add chopped Good King Henry leaves, cook 5 minutes, blend until smooth, finish with cream. Medieval comfort food. Method 5. Good King Henry frittata. Blanch and chop leaves. Whisk eggs with cheese, salt, pepper. Sauté leaves briefly, pour egg mixture over, cook until set. Finish under broiler. Perfect protein-packed breakfast. Method 6. Asian-inspired stir-fry. Heat wok until smoking. Add oil, ginger, garlic. Throw in blanched Good King Henry leaves, vegetables, soy sauce, sesame oil. High heat, constant motion, 3 minutes. Serve over rice. Flower buds deserve special mention. Melt butter in a pan, add flower clusters, sauté 4 to 5 minutes until tender. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. They taste like the most delicate broccoli you've ever had. Storage. Fresh leaves keep 3 to 5 days refrigerated in damp paper towels. For long-term storage, blanch for 2 minutes, shock in ice water, drain well, freeze in portions. Frozen leaves last 6 to 8 months. Flavor profile. Young leaves taste like spinach with nutty undertones and mild earthiness. Shoots have asparagus-like qualities with subtle sweetness. Flower buds are tender and delicate, similar to broccoli rabe. Pairs beautifully with garlic, lemon, butter, aged cheeses, eggs, bacon, toasted nuts, and creamy sauces. Think of it as a bridge between spinach and asparagus. Use it in any recipe calling for either. A complete healthy meal? Grilled chicken or fish? Good King Henry sautéed with garlic as your greens, roasted root vegetables, and quinoa. You've got protein, complex carbs, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, nutritionally complete. This meal provides complete protein, healthy fats, slow-release energy, anti-inflammatory compounds, and over 100% of your daily vitamin A, C, iron, and calcium needs, largely thanks to Good King Henry. Want to try a medieval recipe? Make green pottage, simmer barley, root vegetables, and broth for 40 minutes. Add chopped Good King Henry leaves, cook 10 more minutes. Season with herbs. This fed families for centuries. So why did we forget this plant? Industrial agriculture prioritized what ships well and looks uniform, not what's nutritious and sustainable. But the old wisdom is still here, waiting in the soil. Think about this. You plant once. No tilling every year, no seed buying annually, deep roots prevent erosion, build soil structure, and create habitat. It's regenerative agriculture in your backyard. Economics? Organic spinach costs $3.05 per pound. One Good King Henry plant produces 5 to 10 pounds per year for 15 years. That's 75 to 150 pounds of premium organic greens from a $5 plant. Do the math. In uncertain times, having perennial food sources matters. Climate fluctuations, supply chain issues, Good King Henry doesn't care. It comes back every spring, reliable as sunrise. I challenge you, grow Good King Henry this year. Taste it for yourself. Compare it to store-bought spinach. Feel the difference fresh, nutrient-dense greens make. Your body will thank you. Where to get it? Search for Good King Henry seeds or Chenopodium bonus Henricus plants online. Specialty herb nurseries, heirloom seed companies, and permaculture suppliers carry it. It's making a comeback. Here's a thought. Once your plants are established, divide them and share with neighbors. Imagine your whole street growing perennial vegetables, reducing food costs, building community resilience together. Good King Henry is just one forgotten plant. There are dozens more like it, perennials that feed us year after year with minimal work. This is the future of home food growing. This is a thriving garden. You walked past this at the beginning of this video. Now you know its secrets. Will you walk past it again? Or will you plant it, grow it, and reclaim this forgotten wisdom? The choice is yours. If you found this valuable, subscribe to Thriving Garden for more forgotten perennial vegetables, ancient growing wisdom, and recipes that connect you to food traditions. Hit the bell for notifications.